NEOM Nature Reserve is planting the seeds of change, aiming to restore over 1.5 million hectares of land and plant 100 million native trees, shrubs and grasses by 2030. The Nature Reserve program at NEOM is our commitment to protecting 95% of NEOM's nature, but more than that, to restore it to its former thriving glory. An ambitious seed-to-tree initiative, wherever possible, native seeds are sourced in the region. These seeds are grown in the Kingdom's first solar-powered nursery and then planted in the NEOM Nature Reserve. NEOM Nature Reserve is expecting to grow an additional 20 million plants over the next 3 years. NEOM's regreening initiative isn't just great for NEOM, it's also an important contribution to Saudi's Green Initiative, which is committed to returning 10 billion trees back into the landscape of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Together, we are growing a new future for NEOM, Saudi Arabia and the world, where residents of the line have nature at their front and back door, a future where conservation and progress live in harmony and solutions to our planet's biggest challenges are shared for all of humanity.